AI is transforming every industry, and I am starting a new initiative where I used to share that how you can utilize practical use case of different AI tool in your industry. And I'm taking HR industry today. So I have given three different resume for screening process, and AI can be used in HR from from resume screening to employee management. It can save time, it can improve hiring decision, it can increase productivity. So here I tested on AI tool uploading three resume and asking with a prompt to pick the best based on different five criteria, and it has gone with a scanning process you can see, and it has come with the conclusion in a second and highlighted that this is the best resume. So this is the main thing you need to utilize AI in your industry. It is a game changer. It will save your time,